Hey. Focus on what you're doing. There you go. Yes, you can.
Yeah, can you close these up and put it back in the freezer, please?
No mucking around. Goes in the freezer?
Where other rubber bands.
Rubber bands. Oh, I don't know if we have some, man.
Can we just tape it up?
You can use the tape. Yeah, no, you're right. That's a very smart idea. You're a captain. Lead by example.
Okay, now you put your pasta in there.
All of it.
However much you want.
Does pasta expand when it gets cooked?
Yeah. Hopefully the water will be enough. That's some serious cooking though.
I know, eh?
We found it. Someone squished it right to the bottom and was lying on the side.
What? The pasta.
There you go. You just put it on here, and then you get a tape around it, yeah? That's it. Good girl. And then just tape it around, right around. You loop it around 3 times, yeah?
Do you have
Perfect.
a lid for that one as well?
It's not a little one.
Huh?
It's like
Do you want to taste this?
You know we have scissors, right? The scissors is right there. Yes, across the kitchen. You want to use your teeth anyway, even though we have scissors.
Summer, don't use your teeth if you're about to back up. That's
Use scissors. Scissors. Try scissors. Trust me. Scissors. It helps. Yeah, I can hear myself. See? Solution. Perfect. Nice.
what smells so delicious.
It's not my cooking, that's for sure. I love. Oh, hey! I don't burn all my food.
You bang your front toast.
No, I didn't call it French toast. I called it African toast.
Because you banged it.
No.
Yeah, so
It is. And have you ever eaten African toast before, Evie?
I don't know if I want
It's pretty tasty.
Really?
Yeah, you have to look past the color.
Color is the point. That's the thing. That's what I'm thinking. I don't want it to be too black. But I mean that in the best way.
You need a freezer, the one below. That's right. Oh, it's a mean that in the best way.
Cut that off the can.
The one at the bottom, the very bottom.
Good.
Thank you. Well, I'll say this. I'm looking forward to tasting your food. And yeah.
Tasting your black
Yeah.
toast.
Okay, no, my black toast was sent to Sekina. All right, get back to your cooking program. You, Captain, set a good example. Listen, get off that. If you don't set a good example, you're losing 2,000 for your team. Get on there, learn. Off you go.
I'm not making your black
Off you
toast.
go.